5 years ago, in June 2018, Davido won the Best International Act Award at the BET Awards, and he gave that very, very famous speech where he said, "Come to Africa, wear the clothes, eat the food," and he got so into that speech that they actually had to play him off stage, which means they had to cut his speech by playing music so that he would leave the stage. And that was 5 years ago, and for him at that point in time, it was a very, very big feat. It was a big feat for the whole of Afro beats. But fast forward 5 years to today, and this same Davido is one of the major performers at the 2023 edition of the BET Awards. If that doesn't deserve a round of applause, tell me what does. Now, we love it when our brothers are doing well and doing great, and this is a massive feat for Davido. Great performance, was absolutely lovely. So this is what happened. He came in. We known about this performance for a minute. All right, so we attended the BET Awards with Bobo and Issa. First thing first, he got a clean cut because he has to look sharp for the performance. You know how it is. Then he did red carpet interviews, talked to a few people here and there. And then we can see him backstage in this video, and I could tell that, man, David is looking kind of nervous, isn't he? He's looking nervous to me. But man, up on that stage, the nerves had to go. He performed 2 songs. He performed Feel, and then he performed Unavailable. So after the performance, he chilled, watching the show, enjoying the show with Issa and Bobo, and later also linked up with Busta Rhymes, American legend, rapper. And all in all, it was a great show, a great outfit for Davido. And he's going to be there in his curriculum vitae, one of his biggest performances since he started doing music. So we could just say kudos. Wanna hold you tight.